Hello, Bros AgriTech fans. Have you ever seen an excavator dance on a construction site or a truck swallow tons of cargo? The world of heavy machinery is full of surprises and excitement. Join us as we explore the stories of these mechanical heroes, from displays of raw power to dramatic rescues. Too intense. A nearly 6,000-pound tractor struggled to climb onto a raft, but in just a split second of imbalance, it tipped over and plunged straight into the sea. Everything happened so fast, no one had time to react. Unbelievable. The Cat 350, powered by a Cat C 9.3B engine with 413 horsepower and weighing 105,100 pounds, is tearing down a chimney with sheer force. Its powerful hydraulic system makes demolishing the sturdy structure effortless, eliminating the need for explosives. With just a few bucket swings, the brick walls crumble under its overwhelming strength, showcasing the true power of heavy-duty demolition machines. Heavy machinery also proves its dominance in scrapyards. The Doosan DX2 20LCA stands out, efficiently dismantling old cars with precision. With a 148 horsepower engine and an operating weight of 21,500 kilograms, it swiftly tears through layers of metal. Each bucket movement sends cracking sounds through the air as car parts separate. The destruction is clean and efficient, preparing the metal for recycling, a truly impressive display of raw power. At another construction site, heavy-duty transport machines perform with precision and strength. A massive crane, boasting an impressive lifting capacity, carefully moves a car into a containment tank. Its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system ensure controlled and secure movements. As the steel arm extends and the hook tightens, the car is lifted into the air and smoothly lowered into place. An outstanding demonstration of machine precision and power. It's not just cranes. Cat forklifts also showcase remarkable durability and accuracy. One forklift carefully lowers a 20-foot container weighing about 2,300 kilograms to the ground with pinpoint precision. Thanks to its robust hydraulic system and sturdy forks, the heavy load is handled smoothly, with no wobbling. Its reliable engine delivers stable lifting power, ensuring a flawless operation that proves the strength and quality of Cat forklifts in any working condition. However, not everything goes smoothly. A terrifying incident unfolded when a garbage truck suddenly caught fire in the middle of the road. Flames quickly engulfed the vehicle, turning it into a blazing inferno. Thick black smoke filled the area, causing panic among bystanders. An alarming reminder of workplace safety's importance. A shocking accident occurred when a broken-down car was left unattended on a slope without warning signs. Suddenly, a speeding truck crashed into it, triggering a massive collision. This chaotic scene serves as a powerful lesson on the importance of proper safety measures when stopping on an incline. But it's not just about accidents. Heavy machines continue to dominate extreme terrains. The Cat D6T bulldozer, with a Cat C9 engine producing 200 horsepower, 149 kilowatts, and weighing 20,449 kilograms, easily flattens obstacles. Its large blade and advanced transmission system allow it to cut through soil and rocks effortlessly. With intelligent electronic controls, the D6T operates with remarkable precision, maximizing work efficiency. In mining, massive machines showcase unparalleled power. The Cat 336D handles giant rocks with ease, as if playing with pebbles. This incredible strength comes from its 268 horsepower engine and superior hydraulic system, making it the undisputed king of heavy-duty excavators. On the road, gigantic transport trucks ensure smooth operations. In Australia, triple-trailer road trains, measuring 53 meters long and weighing about 100 tons, are the giants of livestock transportation. These specialized trucks safely carry hundreds of cattle to export ports. Featuring modern ventilation systems, non-slip floors, and spacious compartments, they minimize stress for the animals during long journeys. With strict health and transport condition checks, this process ensures cattle remain in top condition before shipping, a vital link in Australia's agricultural export industry. Super heavy transport operations go beyond cattle. An incredible 535-ton journey is underway, moving a 260-ton transformer from Gluckstadt Port to Kummerfeld. This is not just an ordinary transport job. It's a carefully orchestrated operation requiring flawless coordination between humans and machines. Transporting heavy equipment on highways demands extreme precision and supervision. Multi-axle hydraulic trailers distribute weight evenly, ensuring safe transit. From assembly to destination, every step requires precise planning, involving drivers, engineers, and escort teams to execute the complex logistics seamlessly. When a heavy machine breaks down, the rescue itself becomes a challenge. A powerful tow truck with exceptional pulling strength arrives to recover the stranded XCMG 300K. The steel cable tightens, the engine roars, and the tow truck exerts full force to free the machine from the muddy trap. A gripping battle between machine power and rough terrain keeps everyone on edge. Tow trucks aren't the only workhorses. Road rollers play a crucial role in infrastructure projects. The Ket CS533E vibratory roller, equipped with a 130 horsepower engine and weighing 10,840 kilograms, showcases its power on site. Its high-impact vibration system compacts the ground effortlessly, creating a solid foundation for future roads. Whether working on soft soil or gravel, this machine ensures maximum durability and load-bearing capacity, accelerating construction while maintaining quality. In large-scale mining and construction, the Hitachi Zaxis 670 LCR is an undisputed powerhouse. With a 345 kilowatt, 463 horsepower engine, and a bucket capacity of 1.80 to 3.30 cubic meters, it moves massive amounts of soil and rock with ease. Working alongside Mercedes and MAN dump trucks, it accelerates construction progress. Its robust undercarriage and durable design allows smooth operation across diverse terrains, from urban job sites to mining projects. With unmatched power and efficiency, the Hitachi Zaxis 670 LCR is an essential asset for large-scale industrial operations. So much power, so much precision. Which of these mechanical marvels left you speechless? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping action from the world of heavy machinery and engineering marvels. See you in the next video.